Hi, 你好 Chef Tom. Let's make 8-drop soup today. We have chicken broth, onion, egg, and cornstarch to thicken the soup. Let's do it. Let the soup bring out to a boil. And before we do anything, let's thicken the soup first by using cornstarch and dissolve into some water. I have 3 cups of chicken stock. Almost done. A little more. Now the soup got a nice texture. Once you have the soup thickened, and they will hold the egg together like this. Is that beautiful? Here, we're gonna have a pinch of salt and pepper, pinch of salt to taste, and black pepper. Oh yeah, it's a perfect soup for cold weather. It will warm your heart. Give them a quick taste. Wow, you gotta have that sesame oil. It's a great touch. That's it. Garnish with some green onion. Look at this 8-drop soup, so delicious. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.